YouTube, back with the OG V8 S10. I scored a sunroof today at the junkyard, so I'm gonna cut a hole in the roof and put that bad boy in. So we're gonna do a bunch of measuring, tape some stuff up, mark it out. And I got all the measurements taped off and everything, so I'm about to cut this all out. Piece of cardboard laying in here just to keep some sparks or whatnot off. And these signatures, David Freiberger and Brian Loans, they're coming out, so I'm gonna put those elsewhere. Okay, we'll see how this freaking goes. It's insane. What the fuck am I doing? Well, there's the roof of my truck out. And there's the signatures. I freaking get to keep those. It's so awesome. So I'll put this elsewhere. Okay, the frame is mostly in there. It's all flush and whatnot. I have to pull it back out, take the tape off, and I'm gonna use this, some kind of automotive adhesive to seal it down on there. And then in the future I might do a plate on the inside, like bolt them together. Okay, here's the glass. Gotta stick it in. I don't think I can do it from up here. There it is, all in. Not in, but pretty in. Looks pretty dang awesome, I think. What do you think, dude?
Pretty sweet.
Hell yeah, that looks sweet as hell. That's it all installed from the inside. Looks pretty freaking great. It's so easy to open and close. Got all the goop off this thing. The bottom side's all clean again, but this looks like garbage. Super faded white, so I'm just gonna give it a fresh couple of coats and then put it in official. It's going in for the final time. That dog is still fucking barking. Whatever. Throwing some of this on it. Master Seal NP125. This shit is awesome. I used it also for the floorboard when I did the floorboard repair down there, like a long time ago. But it's fucking great stuff. So let's do a bead on this on the inside. Lay it on in there. And I'm gonna like clamp it around the edges. Seals really good. Get it in the dang old hole. Yeah, that's a... I didn't want that much, but rather have too much and not enough, I guess. So many clamps in here, but I want it to be all flush. Didn't want to have any gaps. All that juicy crap I'll cut off later. I just wanted extra caulking on there so I didn't have any chances of missing any areas. That's just how I'm gonna have to leave it tonight while this stuff dries, and then I'll come out here tomorrow, slap the glass in it, and that's all that's needed. Also clean up this junk. I ended up slapping some rivets in this window. I don't know, I felt like the caulking would have done a good job, but rivets definitely help security. keep it stay down. So slapped a bunch of aluminum rivets in it. Now the window is in, I'm just waiting for this chunk to finish drying, and then I'll scrape all that off with a razor blade. Check out the inside. Looks pretty fucking sweet to me. Just lift this handle, push it up. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Now, I'll see you guys next time.